Everyone, updating you on the weather situation. We've got some nasty storms, as we talked about a little bit earlier, developing to the south. That's where the severe weather threat is now. The Twin Cities really not expecting severe weather here. We are going to have some on and off showers and thunderstorms the next couple of hours through about 7 o'clock. But the threat for severe weather really to the south. So everything in purple here to the south includes Red Wing, Rochester, Mankato. Severe thunderstorm watch, but we have a tornado warning here south of Mankato. So that is the primary concern for the moment. And as we look at some of the alerts there, again, this is a tornado warning that has just been issued by the National Weather Service in the Twin Cities for Blue Earth County. That is until 5:45 p.m. A confirmed tornado was located over Good Thunder, 9 miles southwest of Mankato. So this is not a radar indicated rotation. This has been a spotted tornado, and also hail in this storm up to 3 inches in diameter. So weather spotters confirmed seeing this tornado on the ground. So flying debris, any of those things are going to be a dangerous concern. Moving towards Mapleton here by 5:30. Pemberton by 5:40. So again, tornado warning for southern Blue Earth County. This is a very dangerous storm. Spotters saw this tornado. This is not radar indicated, though we can see on radar very clearly it is rotating. It is a nasty storm here south of the Mankato area, again in the Blue Earth County area. So this whole cluster of storms are the ones that have been having some severe thunderstorm warnings on and off for the last 45 minutes or so. This is where all the dynamics and energy in the atmosphere are right now. So that's why that severe threat south of the Twin Cities, just garden variety showers and thunderstorms on and off for us the next couple of hours, but to the south, a dangerous situation with this storm. I'm going to switch over here into the storm relative velocity mode, which shows specifically the rotation. But again, we don't need to because we know that spotters on the ground have seen this. And this is why storm spotters are so integral in severe weather situations like this, because they can sometimes see things that the radar can't, because this is far away, though we can see. If you remember some of the other storm updates we've had over the last couple of weeks where you see the red and green come together, it's not Christmas colors. Red and green mean different directions of wind speed. So when they come together, that shows that the wind speeds are different right next to each other. We call it a couplet, and that means that we are seeing rotation in the storm. In that area here, right in the central part of Blue Earth County right now, is the area that we're concerned with. So again, tornado warning there for Blue Earth County. And that is a very, very nasty storm that we're watching that is really, again, just popped up in the last 45 minutes. Sort of your textbook example of a supercell where it develops very quickly and rapidly into an intense, severe thunderstorm. We will put back on the warning here and show you what's going on. So this was just issued 10 minutes ago by the National Weather Service. Again, this is for Blue Earth County in south central Minnesota until 5:45 p.m. Spotters saw a tornado over the Good Thunder area. Also hail of up to 3 inches in diameter. So we're talking baseball, softball size hail. So there's that potential for some very large hail in these storms to the south. This is one of the things that we look at where we try to derive how big could that hail get. Well, everything in the blues here, that is 2 to 3 inches of potential hail size. So again, that is also south of the Twin Cities. That's where we have that hail threat, that large hail threat. Not expecting severe weather here any longer, but that focus is on those storms across the southern part of the state. Another thing we look at, the potential for high wind gusts, everything in maroon, those colors of 1,000 or more joules. This is how we measure it, just like we measure CAPE, convective available potential energy. All of that has shifted to the south, but that does mean that these storms to the south are potentially very dangerous. And again, we're already seeing one of those cells turn tornadic here with a storm spotters on the ground there in the Good Thunder area, spotting that tornado. So again, this is moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. And it is a nasty storm. At 10 minutes ago is when spotters saw that tornado over the Good Thunder area, 9 miles southwest of Mankato, moving towards Mapleton by 5:30, Pemberton by 5:40. So again, these are the nasty storms that we're seeing to the south. The storms we're seeing north of the Twin Cities and in western Wisconsin, a lot of lightning, thunder, and rain, but nothing severe there. But again, it is this storm to the south. Blue Earth County tornado warning until 5:45. So please take shelter immediately. This is not a radar indicated tornado, but actual tornado spotted on the ground. I'll continue to have updates on